Okay, how to
Okay.
install the software? So this is the website, right? Domain. So if you
Okay.
want to upload any files in this area, you must logged in with the you must log in with your server cPanel. What is this?
Yeah. cPanel.
If you want to log in any cPanel, sorry, server, so this is the option cPanel.
Yeah.
Enter the username and password. Okay, this is the username.
So Manamalapuram is nothing but
One domain,
one domain.
one
Okay.
domain which I have some other students domain. This is okay.
Okay.
So this is username and password. When you purchase the
Yeah.
hosting username and password, hosting provider will provide us username and password.
Yeah.
Okay, login. One moment.
Okay.
Okay, I logged in. Okay, this is the cPanel area.
Sir, your screen is not showing. Okay, now it's showing.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So if you want to upload any files from system to server, this is the option files and file manager. Already the software is available in our system. The
Okay.
software is available on your system, right? If you want to upload the
Yeah.
software, so just go to files and file manager.
Yeah.
Always we must select, this is the root folder, webroot public underscore html.
Okay.
Sometime if we select, the software is not working, we must upload
Okay.
all the files in webroot folder only.
Okay.
Click go, click on upload, browse the file. So on the downloads, uh, the software is available.
Which file are you uploading, sir?
So I gave you just now, I sent you mail, the software.
Okay, it's downloaded now.
Yes,
Show in folder. Email marketer.
yes, that is email marketer only.
Okay, in this email marketer,
Hmm.
do I run a setup file or something?
No, actually, that is the zip folder, right?
Yes.
Now I am uploading the zip file only.
Okay.
So this is the zip folder. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now, actually, we don't want any zip folder, so we must extract the zip folder. Extract. Okay.
Yeah.
Got my point? Can I show once again?
Yes, sir. Once again.
Yeah. Okay. Just I removed all the files.
Okay. So
Now,
first you go to the cPanel
cPanel
for
and
a.
files and file manager.
Okay, to go to cPanel, we just put our domain / cPanel.
Yeah. Slash cPanel. Enter the username and password. That is hosting username and
Yeah.
password.
But okay, with that hosting username and password, from where will I get? Or like
Whenever you
you'll
purchase
be
the
giving it to me,
hosting provider will provide you.
yeah.
Now you have provided me the domain name, right?
Yes.
I'll give you hosting username and password.
Okay. Okay. That's what.
Okay, for example, this is your domain, right? Your domain name slash cpanel.
cPanel.
You must enter username and password. Now it is not working because you have cancelled the hosting, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Now go to files and file manager. The
Okay.
pattern is same for each and every web hosting.
Yeah.
Go to files and file manager. So always
Okay.
you must select this option only.
Okay. Web root.
Web root folder, nothing but public underscore HTML.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you select this one, so that is not working.
Okay.
This is only. Go. Click upload.
Upload.
Click browse.
Okay.
Next downloads. In the downloads, email marketing software is available. Yeah, this is.
So now you selected the zip file that
Zip
you
file.
sent to me by email.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it is uploading. The file size is 9.4 MB, almost 10 MB.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what the software zip folder. Just we have uploaded,
Zip
right?
folder. Yeah.
We don't want any zip
Yeah.
folder, so that we must extract. Second step is extract.
Extract. Yeah.
Now immediately you must delete this zip folder because it is occupying some space.
Yeah.
Okay, now all files are in email marketed software on the folder. Sorry, email marketed folder.
Folder. Yeah.
Next step is we have to move all the files from this folder to public underscore HTML.
Okay.
Now, if you want to move any files, not only in this area, anywhere, for example, all the files are in this folder. Okay,
Yeah.
every time all the files are in this public underscore HTML only.
Yeah.
Okay, now double click the folder. Now we will get all the files. So
Yeah.
we must move all the files from this folder to public underscore HTML, right?
Yes.
Select all,
Yeah.
click move file.
Move
Many
file.
people will click again move file. If you click move file, what happen? All the files will store same folder, again same folder.
Okay.
Now we have to remove that move file.
Okay.
Now all the files are moving from email marketer folder to public underscore HTML. Right. I'll show you once again very
Okay. Yeah.
quickly.
Yeah.
Now I logged in cPanel.
Yeah.
Go to file manager. Select web
Yeah.
root folder. Go.
Yeah.
Upload the file.
Yeah.
Browse. Uploading. Right. Now extract.
Yeah.
Delete. Double click all files. Select
Yeah.
all. Click move file.
Call. Yeah. And remove email marketer.
Yes.
Yes.
Now all the files are stored in public underscore HTML.
Public folder. Yeah.
Yes. Now open the website. This is the installation part. One part we have completed. This is very easy. Okay. The next very important thing is we must create one webmail. We must create one database. This is the two options.
Okay.
So I'll
Yeah.
show you how to create webmail. It's very easy. Just go to cPanel,
Yeah.
email accounts, click on email accounts. Okay, some guys are created some mail IDs here.
Email accounts.
Yeah, here. I am creating one email ID info. The password is year 2015. We must remember the password. Create
Okay.
an account. The password is email
Year
webmail password is
2015.
info. This is the email ID. Password is year 2015. That's it. The next one, we must create the databases. Not only this
Yes.
area, not only for this email marketing, for WordPress, for Joomla, for Drupal, if you want to create any forums, for that also we must create a database.
Yes.
Creating the database are very, very important. Just to scroll down. So this is the option. Database, MySQL database.
Sir, it's stuck. Okay, now it's
Now
coming.
is it okay? Okay.
Database. Yes.
Yeah, I'll show you once again. Just go to home, scroll down, databases, click on MySQL database.
Yeah. Okay.
Now here, just enter any name. Just enter XYZ. This is our database
Uh,
name
so where did you put the database name?
in this box.
Okay. Yeah. New database. Okay.
This is database. After
Yeah.
that, you must create username. Just to scroll down, XYZ. The password is year 2011. Year 2011. Create user. Okay, this is the username. Go back. Year 2011. Okay, many people once creating the username and database, they will leave it. So here very important thing is you must add username to database. This part is very, very important. In case if you did not add
Okay.
username to database, the username and database will not work.
Okay.
Click on add for each and every database, not only here for WordPress, for Joomla, for Drupal, for each and every database, the same concept. Click on all privileges,
Uh,
click make changes. Go
Privileges.
back.
Make changes.
So now the database here, username here. Okay,
Yeah.
simple. Just create database, username, next add it.
Okay. Yeah.
Now come to here. So already we have created the email ID, right?
Yeah. We created email ID.
This is email ID. Uh, we can create this one, admin. This is
Sir,
our
it's
own
stuck.
choice. This is
Okay,
our
it's
own
done
choice. We
now.
can give any. If you want to log in this email marketer software, we must enter this username and password.
Okay.
And database
Yes.
details. Already, I want to use my database. I have already created. Just we have created, right? Here you
Yeah.
must add database user. This is the user.
MySQL database details, database user. Yes.
Password. Just now we have given.
Yeah.
This is the database name. So leave it. So database table prefix is not important. Database host name always local host, but
Hello.
5% of the hosting companies will provide database host name is different.
Okay.
HostGator, GoDaddy, BigRock, all the database host name is local host. Like
Okay.
Bluehost or iPage, they will provide another local host.
Okay.
For this local host is enough. Click on continue.
Yeah. What that one is not important. Database table prefix.
No, no, that is not important.
Okay.
Now, already we have created. We have created all the database username and password we entered. Here email address should be our webmail email address. Okay. So this is the username and password. Already I have this is the admin username and password.
Yeah.
Right. Once you create the once you complete the installation, just log in this. This is the admin is the username. This is the password. Login. This is the way.
Okay.
Got it, Ali?
Yes.
Yesterday I showed you all those things. Okay. Once again, quickly I'll show you. Okay.
Yeah.
Now just go to files, file manager. I'm reviewing all those things.
Yeah.
Database also I'm removing. Only I did not remove webmail only.
Yeah.
Right. Next, what should I do? Just log in with cPanel. Okay. Click on upload.
Yeah.
Browse the file. Email marketing. Now extract.
Your screen is stuck on Yahoo, sir.
Now, now is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, remote. Next, moving files. Now tell
Yeah.
me.
Okay. Now, already put it in the public folder, right?
Extracted also.
Yes. Um,
Double click.
Double click.
Select all files. Click move file.
Yeah, already moved, right?
No, just I removed all the files right now.
Okay, now moving to public folder.
Yes. Next.
Okay. Select all files.
Yeah,
Move
moved.
file.
Already moved. I moved all the
Yeah.
files. Now
Okay.
databases.
Correct. So moving file is the last step in that one
Yeah,
before
last
we're
step in
going
that.
to database.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the database. Go back. Next.
First we create database.
Next,
Then we
username.
create username, password. Then
Yeah.
we add the database. Third
Yeah.
step.
Add the database to user.
Yes.
Next. Already we have created webmail.
Yeah.
Here we can add the webmail. I have given admin here. Password year 2015. Year 2015. This is the database. Sorry.
The application URL will come up automatically, right?
Automatically it's come up automatically.
Okay. We only enter email address,
Email address, admin,
password.
password. That is our choice.
Yeah.
If you want to log in future,
Sir,
that's
the
all.
username which the username which we are entering right now as admin,
Huh.
that is the thing which will show up. Oh no, that was when we
Yes,
create
yes,
campaign. Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Password. Now you must save this. Okay. Login. If you
Yeah.
want to
So
log in the email marketer software, so just open
yeah.
your domain name. It is asking the what happened.
Sorry, your screen is stuck.
I think some problem is there.
Yeah.
Now is it okay?
No, it's still stuck on the um, email marketer details page to enter email address. Okay, now it's changed. Now it's come.
Yeah. Now here
Yeah.
just enter the username and password. Login. Okay. One step has
Yeah.
completed. Okay. Next step I
Yes.
told you already. So here very important thing is SMTP.
Yes.
Based on the SMTP only we can send the mails.
Yes.
Okay, this is a shared SMTP. Using this SMTP you can send up to 1000 mails per day.
Okay.
Okay, where can we add that? So just go to settings, email settings.
Email settings.
Just scroll down. Let me
Yeah.
specify my SMTP. Here SMTP host name is mail dot always mail dot domain name. This is.
Yes.
If you don't have that, you must contact your hosting provider. Here some people will ask what is
Okay.
SMTP username and password. SMTP username password is nothing but webmail username and password.
Yes.
If you don't have this username and password, you must create.
Create. Yeah.
Yeah,
Create a webmail.
sometimes some SMTP port 806, 529, 25,
Yes.
26, 80.
Yeah. Yeah.
90% of the
What
SMTP
are?
port name. Some companies has different port names, numbers.
Okay.
So this is the port number.
Yeah.
So you must enter, for example, in case if you don't know that port number, when you purchase the hosting, at this whenever you purchase the hosting, at the starting we'll get one welcome mail.
Yes.
On that welcome mail, we'll get SMTP hostname and port name, incoming pop-up mail, something like that we'll get. So there we can
Okay.
check. Otherwise,
Okay.
we can contact hosting provider.
Okay.
And also very important thing is I said uh, hourly rate. Every day you can send 1000. So that time hourly rate is 300 or 200. You must mention the hourly rate here. For example, if the hourly rate is zero, that time the email marketing software will not work.
Sir, where is the hourly rate? Your screen is stuck.
I think network problem only. That is the network problem only. Now is it okay?
Yeah. Not yet. It's still stuck on that screen. I think it's because every time there's a delay on the screen and when
Yes.
you're explaining, and now it's stuck on. Okay, now it's come up.
Okay, here hourly rate.
Hourly rate. So basically, when we set up that hourly rate, sir,
Yeah,
every
yeah.
minute it
Based
will
on
send
your
out,
SMTP,
every
based on
hour
your
it will
SMTP.
send out. Okay.
Every time we can use 2 to 3 SMTPs. The time you must change. For example, here I mentioned 200. The time you must send mails hourly 200 only.
Okay.
For example, if you have a great SMTP, hourly rate is 5000. Here the time you can mention 5000.
Okay.
Now save
On the SMTP that we have, it is 1000 emails every day.
every day. So that here I mentioned hourly rate 200. We can set hourly
200.
rate is 2000 also. Oh, sorry, 1000 also.
Okay.
what happened? Hourly 1000 will reach. After that, we cannot send any mails.
Yeah.
Per day, you can send anytime. You can send. If you want to send within 30 minutes, also you can send all the 1000 mails.
Does it make any difference sending in 200,
No, no,
200,
no, no,
five
no, no, no,
times?
no,
Like
no. You'll not get any problem.
it does, it won't make any difference. Okay.
Yes. Next, save. Now, I want to check this email software is working or not. Test. Yeah, successfully sent.
Screen is stuck, sir.
Okay, let me
Still
take
stuck
some.
on that screen.
Okay, today I'm closing. Actually,
Okay.
just do practice. Now, within 20 minutes, I'll send this video. Definitely, I'll send
Yes,
it.
sir. Video, and also I need the username and
Yeah,
password
yeah,
to
I'll send
log
it.
in
I'll
and
send it. Now, I'll
practice.
send it.
Done.
Okay,
So I just use my same domain /cpanel.
cPanel.
I'll use your username, password, and
Yes.
I'll set up a